If you could shout out my brother, Lencho, that would be great. Last thing I know you hate the number 7, but crazy thing is, my birthday is 7/7/2001. So 7's in the chat from Daniel Garcia. Daniel Garcia, bro. Daniel, I appreciate the kind words, man. And yes, I do need boxing tips. Okay, and then he sent a shirt. Junebug Denver. Well, chat, if there's one boxer we're rooting for, it's this guy. Daniel, I hope to see you boxing in a sold-out fucking arena one day, brother. Next fan battle today.